Hello viewers, welcome back again to our new video of Canva from basics to advanced. So we have covered introduction to Canva and its interface in our previous video and basic design elements. So in today's video we're gonna cover exporting and templates. And in template section we're gonna learn what is template, how to use template, how to customize templates, what templates are, and how to make your own template. So let's start with this video. So exporting is very important part. You should know how to export your work. You have spent some time on a project and now it's time to export the project. You can directly post it to on social media or you can download it to your computer. So let's see how to do that. So let's start with the project. I have created a project, for example. In this we're gonna create a logo, for example. Now I have selected logo, and suppose I have made a logo. For example, I have made this logo. Okay, now I want to export this project. I want to use this anywhere I want to use it. So when you look at the right side of your screen, here you can see that there's a share option. When you click on it, you can see multiple options. For example, download, print with Canva, public view link, WhatsApp, Instagram, Meta, or template links, or see all. Let's see all. So public view link, it's like you have created and design and now you can share that link with the public. I mean, you can share it with your relatives. For example, you have created a marriage card and you want to share that instead of downloading and manually sharing on WhatsApp and taking up your storage mobile device. You want to just share it. So share that link, and whenever someone going to click on it, it will direct that link will direct him or her to this design. Okay, then present. Here's a present option also. You can make a presentation also in this, and copy to clipboard, move to a folder, or send to your phone, and you can directly post on some website. All those options are there. Now let's see download. What if you don't want to post on any website also? You want to download it locally, you want to store it in your computer. So click on download, and here you can adjust the size of this logo. If you want to adjust it again, you can limit them in KB, compress the files, all those things. And here's the file format. You can select JPG, PNG, PDF if you want to make this as an PDF, or a PDF print for best printing quality. And if it is a video or you have used some element, moving element in this video, you can download it as mp4 video also. You can create GIF also, and also you can download in the format of Microsoft PowerPoint document, PPT also. Suppose you have created multiple pages PPT and you can download it in the PPT format, so it will be compatible with the PowerPoint presentation. So these all are the exporting option, from where you can choose one according to your need. Now let's move on to our next topic, templates. Let's see what templates are. Okay, so let's start with templates. Over to the left you can see here's the template option. If you're gonna click on it, then you can see some templates options over here. Here's the explore template. You can explore templates according to your need. For example, you are looking for presentation, then click over here, poster, resume, emails, logo, flyers, brochures, Instagram post, Instagram stories, videos, invitations, mobile videos, Facebook post, business cards, all those things are over here, for example, and many more. Over here, look, you can design some menus, photo collage, whiteboard documents, all those things. So let's click on one. Let's choose business cards. For example, we are making business cards. Here are some templates related to business card, and let's choose one from them. For example, I like this one. For example, I am a real estate developer and it suits my needs, and you can see that it features some buildings and all those things. So if I selected this one and click on customize template, I can customize it to according my needs. If you are new to templates and you never had designed one, you can just explore them. This is the front side and this is the back side. You can explore these. For example, this selects this element, and this selects what, this selects the wall area or the image. I guess yes, this selects that image. And you can use these icons, this phone icon, these red circles, all those things are layered up on each other. You can go ahead and customize this Olive Wilson, or you can change that name to anything you want. For example, my name is just Olive, so I'm going to be using this one also. This one only, all Olive real estate agent or real estate advisor. You can change all those things. This, you can change all those things. You can add up numbers and do many more things. For example, let's click on this picture. I don't like this picture and I want to change that picture. So to do that, I just need to go ahead and delete that and upload my own picture from upload files from your computer or from any other place. If you have already uploaded, you can drag some images from your Instagram or Drive also. And you have, and if you have done some mistake, for example you have deleted something that you don't want to, you can just control Z and they will get back to you. Now this is the same from the back side also. You can do all those things, like if you can want to change this element, you can change this, you can change the size of these things, and you can put like differently. Now there's a space in between, now it's look a little bit 3D. You can put this anywhere you want according to your need, like this also. So that's how these templates and these designs or these elements are made. Okay, let's explore some more templates. Also, one thing, when you select a specific template, you get more related design to it. For example, look at this, these are more related designs. And if you want to create your own template, you just need to go ahead and create and choose what you want. Poster, document, resume. Look at this, there are some pre-made resume templates over here. Look at this, but you don't want any of them, so you just go ahead, click on new, make a new template from here, like resume A4, and then a blank page is going to be appear over here. Now you just need to add some elements in it. For example, you can add some squares like this. I can create this one. I can make some designs like this, or I can use any other shape which already have been given over here. And now I can change the color of it, like I want blue, then I can go with blue. Now for example, I can add some text over here. Here's the text, uh, here's the text, like shift name, put over here name, and add more text. You can add more text over here. You can increase the size if you are thinking it's too small. You can put it over here. Okay, and I want to add some photo. I can add a photo in it, like upload and upload a file or photo from anywhere. I don't have any photo, so I can't show you photo right now. Or you can use magic media, like I can use this image over here. Here's my image, like this. And I can add more things to it. I can add experience, describe this image or anything else. So you can create your own template like this. Okay, you can add some more elements to it. uh, for example, you want to add frame to this picture. Let's add a frame to this picture. You want to make it round. Take it and put this over here. Here you go. Now your image is round. Okay, so that's how you do your images. I mean, this is not round, although its corners are chamfered. That's all. And you can use all those elements to, enhance your project. It depends on your creativity, how creative you can go and how you are using all those things to enhance your resume. It depends on you. Okay, that's how you create your own templates. It's totally depend on your creativity and your design. That's how you create a template and you customize a template and make your own template according to your needs. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.